Hey guys, Pop Scrap here. Today I'm taking apart this old vintage Dell monitor screen. I've done a lot of screws. It took me 20 minutes nearly to take this off as it is. So I made it start making a video, but it was going too long, so I just started taking it all off the screws and I've undone this. To test this now, is this aluminium or stainless or steel, which I'm going to do now actually, because give me 1 second. Nice if it's stainless steel. And we're off to this stainless steel case on this monitor. Bit of steel, which I'm taking off, the rest is all stainless. Very good. So I'll put this down on the ground. Happy out with that. Now these old vintage monitors I took the big lead off for. Very good. Some thick Gorson cable, there'll be a lot of wiring in it and stuff. So we're going to start pulling it apart bit by bit and see what we can get. This could be a long video. We'll see how we go. Take that off. It should pull down. The screen's so old, there should be a lot of good stuff in this. I'll just test this case. I don't think so it's anything any good. So, right, the front part here is an aluminium case, so that'll be coming apart. So far there's a lot of good stuff on this. Big aluminium, two massive aluminium heat sinks, one each side, which I can see inside there looks like a copper heat sinks. Just undo these screws, get down into it as quick as we can. Around 20 or 30 of these I'd be happy. Good scrap. Lots of wire, lots of copper, lots of stainless, aluminium. It has everything. Motors, you name it, it has it. So it's quite a few wires here we show you. There's a monster coil on this. Copper coil on this. Massive. I haven't scrapped one this old in a long time. It's wiring. God, right. Show this baby. Hope you can see this now in the camera, which I'll go closer. Now, look at the thickness of this copper coil. Right, that's big. Few 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 copper heat sinks. A good bit of wiring on it. So there's great copper in that. It's unusual that big heat sink, that's big. So yeah, I'll smash that apart, get all the copper out of it. These nice aluminium heat sinks. So we'll move on. Some good scrap in that. Put these wires around. It's an unusual case on this. Going to cut it, break it up. How are you held on, Phillips? Let's see. Test this. The screw is steel, and that other part is stainless steel. Nice Gorson cable, pure copper, the weight of it alone. It's very nice. good heavy decoration tape. And the same this side. 2 nice heavy pieces of plastic, the bin. Copper wire here. I'm going to take you through it here quick. I'll be on a big selfie stick. Nice big copper coil. I love stripping these monitors, there's always good copper in them. And I'll take this off. Nice bit of copper in that. But the money maker is this baby here. And the stainless on the ground here. So yeah, there's nice bits and pieces, aluminium and things like that. So always look out for the old monitors. Always take them in. It's worth your while in money. So like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one. Excuse me. Bye.